Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft 365 error code CAA20003. That something went wrong, we couldn't sign you in. If this error persists, contact your system administrator and provide the error code CAA20003. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first potential issue could be that there's an issue with Microsoft's servers. So open up a web browser, and I'm going to have a link in the description of the video here, guys, to a Microsoft 365 server status checker. Again, this is actually on office.com. This is a Microsoft domain here. So you can see if there's any sort of issues being reported, in which case that could certainly be a reason why you're having some interruptions on your end. So that's the first thing I'm recommend taking a look at here. Something else we can try here as well, make sure your date and time settings are correct as well down in your system tray. You might want to right click on it and select adjust date and time. Underneath sync now, I'd recommend syncing now. So every once in a while you probably should come in here anyway and just periodically check on this. So that's something else I'd recommend looking at too. And then something else we can try here as well would be to close out of here, open up the search menu and type in programs. Best result should say add or remove programs. Open that up. Type in Office. Go ahead and select Microsoft Office from the list in here and select the three-dotted icon next to it and then modify. Select yes. And it's going to ask how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs. I'm going to select Quick Repair, which will fix most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. If you're still having a problem after this, you can come back in here and select the online repair option, which is a little bit more in-depth. It takes longer, but it does require an internet connection throughout. So go ahead and select the repair option here. It's ready to start a quick repair. This should not take very long, but you won't be able to use your Microsoft 365 and Office programs until we're done. Select repair and give this some time to run. Okay, so once that is finished, close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. That was hopefully a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.